Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a basic Binance account. So I will on official website of Binance and accept cookies and other terms and just tab on for sign up. So Binance offer multiple registration methods. You can sign up using your email address, phone number or through your Apple account or Google account. Carefully choose the option that suits you. So just select the option. You can also manually add your email address, and for email phone number registration, enter your email address or phone number in the approved field, and if you have a referral ID from a friend, input it, and optional read and agree to terms of service and privacy policy and click next, and it will be sent a verification code on your email address. You can just open your email address and 6 digits verification code will be sent to your registered email or phone number, and copy the this verification code, go in your email and just check it and enter it within 30 minutes. And the next procedure, just create a strong password for your account. Ensure it has at least 8 characters including one uppercase letter and one number. Click next to confirm your password. So after, congratulations, you have successfully created a Binance account. Welcome to the world of crypto trading. Get registered now and receive 100 USDT reward. I already created my account. That's why I show you like this. So hope this will help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.